Facebook friend request problems can be frustrating, especially when requests fail to send, disappear, remain pending, or become temporarily blocked. These issues can happen for many reasons, including privacy settings, account limits, suspicious activity detection, or temporary Facebook restrictions. The good news is that most friend request problems can usually be fixed with a few troubleshooting steps. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to solve Facebook friend request problems for US users step by step in 2026. Before changing account settings, make sure your device has a stable internet connection because weak connections can interrupt requests. Close and reopen the Facebook app or refresh the website. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop requests from working correctly. Facebook accounts have a maximum friend limit, so requests may fail if the other person already reached that limit. Some users allow friend requests only from friends of friends, which may prevent direct requests from strangers, directly. And honestly, most friend request problems are usually temporary and related to privacy settings or Facebook spam protection. Avoiding aggressive request activity helps keep the account safer and more trusted. And that's your full guide on how to solve Facebook friend request problems for US users in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to fix request issues and keep your Facebook account working properly.